I just stopped my video, so let's just keep on walking down. I'm gonna go touch it.
No.
Oh, it's all caged off.
Yeah, that's how they secure everything.
Oh, that's cool. I touched a boxcar. I'm famous. Now my germs are on that boxcar. It's going to travel the world. Well, travel all the way to Chicago, then come back. Or do they lease trackage rights just to get around?
And also to get to their tracks they own like
Out in where?
out in like Minnesota and stuff where they bought all those other companies.
Oh yeah. So what are these? These are 50 footers, eh?
I think so.
What's on the side? Don't go there.
Ready?
Hey Mike, move back here.
Well, I'm going to go down with the last year.
So it's going to back out?
Yeah, back to
My scout leader.
oh, okay.
He wants to bring the scout group to the club for a run night. So I'm going to ask tomorrow night to see in January if anybody can go. I don't know, dude, these may be just the generator cars, eh? Mike? These may be the generator cars.
Yeah, probably.
They're not using the engine's power for this, too.
Listen.
Thank you so much for your Christmas.
Let's go. Jordan,
Yeah, they pulled up the stage. Everybody waiting for it. Oh, that makes sense. Yeah, there's the stage car.
Yeah, this is the stage car.
Oh, I pulled that thing up. I wonder how many car train this is. Dude, these cars are sick. Yeah, finally I can use my hand like this. You got good light? Mike, what up? There's Mike, that way down there. Mike! Doggy. Doggy. Look at the doggy.
Let's go. Turn around and go back on the
Hey,
water.
we want to get back here to catch it. Leaving. Catch it flying through the tunnel. Yeah, that'd be sick, Steph. That sucks.
I don't know how much depth you're going to let these videos so I can get too many shots.
It's 9824 the engine.
Yeah. Like last year I got an individual chart of every single car for him, and he ended up not being able to use the DVD for the video.
What?
He ended up not being able to use the video for his DVD
Why?
because not enough people sent their videos. Okay, let's see this.
Aw. Wait, come back out.
Stop, come here.
Still practicing!
Come here, Cole, it's fun.
I'm still practicing. I wonder if they got a Fred on the back. Hey?
I don't know. Yeah, they do, I see it.
Oh yeah, underneath all the stuff.
I don't know if we're allowed to be right here, though.
Maybe.
Well, so far no one's telling us to go.
Look, it's got ditch lights. Wonder if they flash. Hey, those the go-karts in the back. Do they got a cab in the back for the drivers?
Yeah, I don't know, actually.
Dude, what we should do is as soon as this thing starts moving, race to my van, try to get to your house.
Oh, no, we're not going to get to my house before this thing. Hey, look at this. I hear a train coming in.
So at least do a little more rail fanning in your house, see what you can catch.
Oh, it's too dark out now.
I'll give it up.
Dude, no, my
Don't be a wussy.
Like, look at that. Look, see?
Don't use that.
See?
So my camera's beast. My camera is beast in the dark.
I don't know if we're